So before we get started, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be making a drink inspired by this wonderful month of February that we guys all know as Valentine's Day. We got our Rumchata, we got some Tequila Rose, we got some whipped cream, some caramel, some syrup, and some pink sugar, aka, well, my bad, red sugar, but it looked pink. Y'all not gonna be able to tell. So let's get into it.
So first we want to add the ice. Pour that in there. Next, the Rumchata. We want to do 40 milliliters of this and another 40 milliliters of Rumchata. Pour that in there. Next, the Tequila Rose for the pink. We just want to do half of that, half of what we did for the Rumchata. Pour that in there, that gets us the color. Next, we add a little caramel drizzle, just for the taste. Stir it. We don't want to shake it because then all the froth gets on the ice. Hard for the liquid to pour out. Next, we add the caramel to the cup for decoration and for taste. Next, we want to pour our magnificent drink into the cup. Very beautiful. See that pink with the caramel? How can you not love it? Beautiful. Boom, just make sure we get all that out there. Perfect. Then we want to follow that up with some whipped cream. Whip it on there. Oop, there it goes. Then we want to follow with a little chocolate drizzle. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. And finally, some of our red sugar to top it all off. And there you have it, the Valentine's Day drink.